from Electro. And in this video, you will learn about classes and objects, and I already made a video about that. But in this video, you will learn more about it, like baby classes and parent classes. And don't skip the full video so you can receive my future videos. And let's move on.
What is a class and objects in Python? When do you ask what is an object, they will say instance of a class, instance of a class. You may wonder what is an instance of a class. Now think about it. In this instance, we will learn class and object deeply. You may wonder how a car is built. Now a car is a class. So now car characteristics or color, model, brand or mileage, etc. Start car, stop car, car gear key. Now, these are all class data and these are all car function or method. Now, these are all basic details needed for a car production. Now, with this base, we can make several cars as we want. So, car class works as a template. Now, with this template, we can make objects. Now, for the car, we need to decide the color, brand, or model. So we create a blueprint with the car, and this is the base of all cars. Now with these blueprints, they will give it to the factory and they will make several cars, and you buy this car and you can use it however you want. Now this is class and objects in Python. This blueprint, this is class, and we can create how many objects we want. And this is how it works in Python. A class and an object. An object is a collection of data, method, or function. And we call as instance of a class. And to create it, we call as instantiation. Create a class, we need an class keyword. Means class name colon, class statements. Now, let's go on for Python, which means PyCharm. Inheritance. So, what is inheritance in Python? Inheritance means that one class or the child class can use features of another class called the parent class. Imagine a child inheriting eye color or talent from their parent. In the same way, a class in Python can inherit properties and behavior from another class. So we don't need to write the same code again and again. Now let's go for the parent class. And this is explained by line by line. So we put class animal. Here we are creating a class called animal. This is our parent class, the base or blueprint. It will contain features that all animals have. Now let's put the child class or constructor. For this, let's F in it some name. This is a special method in Python called the constructor. It runs automatically when we create an object of the class. We are giving each animal a name, and this animal will be passed when they create the animal. Now let's put the self animal name. So we put self.name equal to name. This line says the name inside the object using self.name. Think of self as saying this specific animal. So if we make an animal named Leon, this line says, hey, this animal is Leon. So let's go if speak self, print self name makes a sound. Now this is a regular method called speak. Every animal can speak. But here we just printing a generic message like name make a sound. We will override this later, make specific animals speak differently. Now let's code for child class. Explain by line by line. Now let's put class dog animal. Now this line is key. We a new class called dog and it inherits from animal. That means it automatically gets the init and speak methods from the animal class. It's like saying a dog is an animal. So, like this. And let's put if speak self, print if self name successful. Here, we are doing something special. We are overriding the speak method. Even though dog already got speak from animal, we are customizing it to make dog say oh. So when we use dog, it will speak differently than a generic animal. If you want to print, we can put a is equal to animal creature. And we are creating an object named from the animal class and give it in the name creature. That means the name will become creature for this project. Let's add another one. T equals to dog body. When we call, now we create another object D from the dog class and give it the name buddy. Even though dog doesn't have its own in it, it uses the one from the animal because it inherited it, as I said. Now, let's print it in the monitor or terminal. So, let's put yeah dot speak means it will speak, like it will print it. So, if I run this code, it will show me creature makes sound. When we call a speak, we are using the speak method from the animal class. So it prints, creates, creature makes a sound. Now let's print the D speak. So D for dog. So if I put, it will show me buddy says woof because we are using D as says woof and yeah says makes creature makes a sound. And it works like this. But when we call D speak, we use the overridden method from the dog class. So it prints buddy says woof. This is the power of inheritance. We reuse the init method but give speak a new behavior. Now let's put forward another example. Vehicle class. So let's erase this code and let's put as vehicle. And we are defining class vehicle as a parent class. Now let's put it function. And its function is different start self. It want to start itself and print vehicle starts. And let's put a baby class. So the baby class is class car vehicle because this is baby and it's only one usage because it inherits the parent class. So let's put div start cell print car start with a key and its function is this. Now let's put the final baby class electric car vehicle and its function is to define start cell print electric car starts silently. Here another example we have a class vehicle with the method start. Then we have two child classes car and electric car. Both inherit the start method from the vehicle but they override it to behave differently. So instead of printing them like print car vehicle, let's put the value like this. V is vehicle means the parent class, C is car, the baby class, and the E is also a baby class. And it's showing me one usage because it's in here. If I touch this, it's showing like this. And let's print them by putting V start. Means it will put in vehicle. So if I print it, it will show me vehicle start because it's in the vehicle. If I put C and it will put me car start with a key and E prints the electric car starts silently, and it works like this. And this is the last. Before that, here's a quick quiz for you. Here a quick quiz for you. If a bird class inherits from animal but doesn't have its own speak method, and we create a bird poly and can speak, what will it bring? Comment your answer below. And this is the end of our session. And yeah,
I hope you like my videos. Like, subscribe and share it to your friends. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can receive my future videos. And thank you